Hi, this is the tutorial for Panda Gossips writers. If this is your first time, please click on sign up and make an account for our writers page. Enter the email and password and go ahead and click sign up. Once you're done, go back to the sign in page and enter the information using what you just made. It helps to click remember me when you're ready so that you don't have to log in or sign in every single time. There's a few things here, but what you'll want to use is manage posts. That's where you'll write your articles and click, here you see your old articles that you've written already, but click on new post or start a new post to make a new article. That'll start the article editor. This is the article editor. Now open the order sheet and you'll see a list of titles, keywords, all the requirements for all the articles, and you can pick the title that you want to work on. And make sure you find one that no other writers have reserved, and go ahead and reserve your name. So I actually went ahead and reserved it myself early, but you would enter your Slack ID here so we know, the directors know that you're working on it. Once you fill that out, remember to also fill out the reservation date, and as you can see, column M through Q, post number, whatnot, those are your responsibility. And we'll start with the title. We'll go ahead and copy and paste the title that we need to use into the title space. And I'm going to leave description for now, but we do need to fill out the keywords and sub-keywords, so I'm going to go ahead and type those. That was the keywords, and here goes the sub-keywords. I do this just so I don't have to go back and forth, but I just have to type them out. And once that's done, I need to go ahead and choose tag right underneath, and the category as well. You need that to fill that out, so make sure you remember what that is. So click on choose tag, and here you see an is set for her, so pick that. And once you go to tag, just enter all the tags specified. So alone, breakup, apart, enter it one by one. If they're already there, just click on the tag. If they're not there, just click on create new tag. As long as they're selected, it doesn't matter how you do it. But we do need you to do it identically to the words on the order sheet. They link the articles by keywords together. So this is a very important step. Now you're done, just click on done, and voila, this is the kind of tagging system that we have in place. Here on the right, you want to click on save, and other than that, we can, I guess, it's 3,200 word. So you want to go down the checklist and look at the rules for the 3,200 words. You just need to fulfill those, and you go down, you see the stats, how many times have you used each word, how many times have you used an image, an Instagram, all that. Now moving on to item palette, this is how you make a heading. You click on the palette that you want, a heading, text, quote, whatever you want, and you can start typing out the heading. You do have requirements on the heading. You have to use each of the keywords a number of times depending on the number of words that you're writing. Do try to capitalize the first word in the heading and include the keywords as you move along. It's so that it's easier for the readers to know what you're writing and to follow the entire article. So once you write the heading, you can choose a text, enter whatever you need to enter here, and once you're done, click insert. You can basically choose what you want one after another. You can do heading, 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 text, heading, heading, text, text, heading, text, Instagram. It's up to you, and this is kind of so that ultimate goal is for the readers to follow more easily, and the formatting is clear. So the text does detect whether or not you're writing a heading or not. It makes the article visually easier to follow. And then here we can try maybe you look down and you have all the miss sign, and it'll show on the bottom on the keyword stats. How many times did you use the word miss? Here it shows that you used the word miss twice in the heading, including subheading, but you used it 4 times throughout the article. It gives you all the details, and perhaps next you can add it, in between if you want to add Instagram images and whatnot. So you can open up any Instagram image that you find is useful. You copy paste the URL, click check once you're done. It should show up, and just click insert. That's it. Um, and you just alternate between heading, Instagram, text, subheading, just whatever makes the article more visually pleasing and easier to follow. Again. So yeah, this is the gist of how to use the article editor. We do encourage you to use a number of subheading because it does make the article much easier to follow. And once you're done with the article, make sure you do click save again. And once you're done with the article, you do want to make sure you fill out the order sheet. So here, after here, you can look up in the URL, and it should tell you actually the post number. So make sure you copy that and you fill it out in the order sheet. Right here in column O, type in the post number, and then also record the date that you're done with your article, and also if you're done writing, make sure you update it. One of our directors will update the cell on column Q if it's published or whatever the status is. Do check it periodically. Now, on the article editor, you may actually want to move some pictures up and down. You can do that by just clicking move up, move and down. So that's it for the tutorial. Let us know if you have any other questions.